What's up, guys? So, McDonald's just announced that by mid 2018, all the Quarter Pounder burgers at the majority of their restaurants are going to be cooked with fresh beef, not frozen. So, luckily, we're in the age of Twitter, and Wendy's responds back, so you'll still use frozen beef in most of all your burgers and all your restaurants, asking for a friend. God damn, Wendy's, you guys are some savages. But wait, it gets better. This guy Derek says, can you ask him if they still sell McFlurries? And then Wendy says, only when the ice cream machine isn't broken. God damn! Whoever's over here at Wendy's doing their social media account, that guy needs a fucking raise. And you'll never guess what McDonald's said back. Not a damn thing. Pussies.